I know a lot of people don't like to add sub goals because they're like, oh, I don't want to seem cash grabby. Let's be honest though, with more money, you can buy better equipment for your streams, and then your stream quality goes up to the moon. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like cash grabby also because you're not like constantly begging people for money. It's just like if people want to sub, they know you have a goal there, so it motivates them. I think sub goals are a great thing. I would add it. Well, I have a sub goal, but I also don't want you guys to spend money on me, you know? But like if you want to, then okay. I recommend a sub goal. I think it's more effective than a follower goal because also, Snowy, followers don't mean anything once you after affiliates. Because to get affiliate, you need 50 followers, but you could literally have 50 followers and qualify for partner as long as you have the viewer count, if that makes sense. Because followers is not a criteria for anything else. It's only a criteria for affiliate. So I think follower goals is helpful when you're trying to push for affiliates, but once you get affiliate, then make it a sub goal. It feels wrong. It helps though, it really does. Basically, my logic goal is that you are a streamer, okay? Most streamers we are broke, and we stream because we enjoy it and we like to make content, and with more money we can make better quality streams and get better equipment so the streams are better for the viewers' enjoyment. So it's a win-win overall. Like if you have the money to go subscribe, then it's supporting a streamer and to make the stream qualities better. But if you don't have the money, you also don't have to, because it's like a little goal, you know? What I think is cash grabby is like every 15 minutes when the streamer is like, hey, yo, any Twitch primers in chat, please? Like, any subs in chat, any Oilers in chat? You know, I could really use some more subs so I could, buy that BMW I really wanted. Like, that's just cash grabby, okay? Because one, you're like physically, verbally begging chat for it. And two, you're asking for things that are kind of actually completely unrelated to the improvement of your streams. I think it's really wholesome when it's like you're asking for things to improve the quality of your stream. It's fine to have sub goals for things that would improve your life, but not necessarily related to your stream quality. I think it's cash grabby when you're having sub goals, dono goals for things that are completely unrelated and just a luxury, you know? Like if I had a dono goal for an LV bag, that is BS, right? Because that's not like just a thing that would make my life better, right? It is an unnecessary luxury. Like a lot of people do, like they have like goals for like a car accident they got into to like pay off like the insurance or whatever, or like they have goals to pay their tuition. Those are things that would make their streamer's life better and make it help them get less stress, okay? English is hard. But again, LV bag, asking for a BMW is a lot of money. I want an LV belt too, man. You wanna help crowdfund me an LV belt? So there's a couple of questions regarding sub goals, so let me go through and answer them. Aaron's question of how do you gauge how much you should set your sub goal? How many subs do you currently have? If you have less than 30 subs currently, then I would add an overall sub goal. So I have one. This is my overall sub goal, which was like blasted through, which was the Five Nights at Freddy one. That's an overall like total sub goal. So I would make the sub goal like slightly above the amount of subs you have if you have less than 30. So let's say you have like 20 subs, you know, I'd make your sub goal like 25 subs. And then with 25 subs, you unlock a new emote slot if you like don't have the emote slot already. So you can make that the goal, like new emote slot 20 out of 25. It's very reasonable because 5 subs is easy for somebody to gift. Realistically speaking, $25 is a lot to a lot of people, but you know, like there's a lot of people on Twitch who do give 25 subs. And if you're a small streamer, it does happen here or there. So small incremental goals that are easy to hit and roughly doable with one person. If you're a small streamer, if you have more than 30 subs at this moment, you could add a daily sub goal, right? And divide the amount of subs you have by 30 to kind of guesstimate. If you currently have 30 subs, like 30 divided by 30 is 1, so daily sub goal of 1. If you have more than 30 subs, like let's say you have 60, daily sub goal of 2, you know, you can kind of roughly use this math to estimate. Obviously, after a certain point, this math is not very doable anymore, but I mean, you can kind of like roughly estimate for yourself when this happens. But if you have more than 30 subs, when you add a time urgency sub goal, like a daily sub goal, weekly, monthly, you should still have the total sub goal too. So you should have both. But if you have less than 30, don't do like a daily, weekly, whatever. Just do the overall one. I think that's just more helpful. Okay. What do you think? How do you think of cool different sub goals, Twilight? Just what does chat want? Like, what is you kind of like gauge what your community wants and then give it to them, right? Like for the Five Nights at Freddy one, people kept like mentioning here and there that they would like to see me play Five Nights at Freddy. A lot of people that watch my streams like to play Five Nights at Freddy. I don't play horror games on stream, so I made that my sub goal because a lot of people like were interested in it. I had like I don't know, it wasn't a sub goal, it was what I did for a subathon, so it was like a subathon goal, but then I did by 30 your daily sub goal. Yeah. It's just like it's like a rough estimate, Shad. That's the best way I found out to kind of like guess a sub goal and like how to like roughly gauge how you should set the sub goal, and then obviously go from there. So like let's say you make a sub goal and you blast through your sub goal, right? You have a daily sub goal of 1 and every single stream you get 5. Like let's say you're super lucky, then increase your sub goal. And if you have a daily sub goal of like 3 and you never hit it, then you might want to lower it. It's just but that like divide by 30 math is a way to get the initial guess. Phil, I find that gold bars are improving the stream fills up, and bar says rent and utilities kind of sit there. Yeah. So, but I think like I don't think having a sub goal for like rents and utilities is like cash grabby. I think what's really helpful are goals that kind of have an urgency to it. Like one of my friends, like her printer broke, so she had a goal for a new printer. Like there's like kind of like an urgency to that because she is an artist, so artists without printers kind of sad, So something like that. When it's something that's like an overall thing that would just kind of help, it's much slower.